Welcome to the Amazon Web Services Cloud Champion Cloud 101 Challenge. After meeting Zoe, our virtual host, begin your journey by choosing the industry that best represents you. To become an AWS Cloud Champion, you need to score 1,000 points in the virtual showcase. Move your mouse to navigate around the showcase, where you'll see 4 distinct learning kiosks, each worth 200 points once complete. Choose your kiosk by clicking on the bouncing icon, and watch the first related video for at least 45 seconds. You may view additional videos or skip through by clicking Next. When you're finished, click Complete to earn your 200 points. Once you've earned 200 points at each of the 4 kiosks for a total of 800 points, you can move on to take the challenge quiz, which should now be unlocked here. Don't worry, we won't deduct points for wrong answers. Once you're done with the 5 quiz questions, congratulations, you're an AWS Cloud Champion. To claim your reward, sign up with your email address and submit. Have fun playing.